줘.
So close.
Hey, Bonnie, what I drew?
Where? A dog.
No, that's a guy with the sun like that. But he has shades on. Shades. Here, let me draw him blood.